Hi, Trini.
Hello, Irene. How are you?
Fine, and you?
Good, good. I was planning to go out to the beach today.
That's good.
Yeah, but I have a problem and I cannot find my bag. And the one that I have is very small. I need to go with my children, so I need a big bag and I don't have any.
Oh, that's a pity. That happened to me, but the other way around. I went with my friends and I was carrying my beach bag, the big one, the family size one, and it's too much, so I need a smaller one.
So what about if we plan to sew something?
Oh.
Like a similar bag, but in my case I need a big one and you can do a smaller one.
Oh yeah, that's good. That's kind of great idea. That's perfect. Yeah.
Okay, so we can try it.
Yes.
Later we can talk about how was the process.
All the sewing process, everything. Yes. That's perfect. Yeah.
Okay, and what about the fabric? Do you have something?
I have this really colorful one.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Yes, I really like it. I couldn't resist. I only bought half a meter, but I think it'll be enough.
Yeah, probably will be enough. That's right. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm going to check if I have something. If not, I will go and I will buy something beautiful.
Good.
Project.
Good.
Okay.
Well, I'll see you in a couple of days.
Okay. That's fantastic. Okay.
Bye. As I was telling my friend, last year I made a beach bag, like a family size one, in which I can put 3 towels, drinks, the swimming costumes, everything we need. But sometimes if I'm going on my own with some friends, I don't want to carry all of that just for myself. So I want to make a little beach bag in which I can put a towel, a bottle of water, and my phone and the keys. So that's it. And because I want to make like a cute beach bag that I can wear not only to the beach but somewhere else if I want to carry something else I need, I want to use these bamboo handles. They've been here forever. I don't know where they came from or when I got them. I remember having them. So I'm going to use this and it's going to be really easy, so stay until the end because I'll tell you how much fabric I use, how much it cost, how long it took me to do it, and of course the problems and things I will have done differently as always. And I have this lovely fabric to use today. Look at that, isn't that cute? Really fresh and summery. I only got half a meter. I think it's more than enough, so let's do it. To be honest, it's not very common to use these handles for a beach bag, but let me know down in the comments if you will. It's not something I'm going to be carrying around for a long time and it's not going to be big or heavy, so let me know what you think. With my pieces cut in a strong fabric, I'm going to start working with the pockets, hemming the tops with a double hem. I'm doing the same with the bottle pocket on the bottom as well. Sewing the pockets on the wrong side of the fabric so I can sew the handbag right sides together and add the handle. Measurements. I'm going to cut 2 squares of fabric of 45 by 45 centimeters to make the handbag, and then I'm going to cut 3 little pieces for the inside, for little pockets. 2 of them are going to be measurement 10 by 10 centimeters and the other one 20 by 20 for the bottle of water. The first thing I'm going to do is to hem the top of the pocket, not the rest. The rest is not needed because I can do it right when I sew them to the side of the handbag. With this done, I'm going to press the other 3 sides of the pocket so they are easier to place on the fabric. And now I'm realizing that I should have hemmed the bottom of the water bottle one, because it's not really a pocket, it's just so it doesn't move, so it's bottomless. So let's do that as well. Don't know about you, but years ago when I was little, this business of taking your bottle of water everywhere wasn't fashionable at all. We didn't know, we just didn't do it. And nowadays I can't live without my bottle of water. Unless I'm going to the shop in the corner, I take it everywhere. Well, now with our son, we take it even more, but I mean, it's just something you need, isn't it? And of course, for the beach is one of the must-haves. And this pocket is not just, it holds it so it doesn't move, but it can be empty. I mean, it doesn't need a bottom. And now to put it together is quite easy as well. I'm going to put right sides together and to leave quite a seam allowance. A wide seam allowance because on that I want to make some top stitching to hem it with a double hem. Why? Because the handles are quite narrow, and if you open them like this, you won't even get your hand in there to look for anything. So they need like 15 centimeters opening on the sides. And I was thinking that to do all this, I'm going to round the 2 bottom corners so it's a bit easier to hem. This opening is really easy to do with this method because you are hemming all around it at the same time as you lift the opening. So it's ideal for dresses or skirts as well. And with the top stitching, it makes it really strong. Top stitching is usually sewn on the right side of the fabric, but I'm going to sew it on the wrong side because I'm hemming at the same time. Because I left such a wide seam allowance around the handbag, I can now fold twice so I can do the top stitching all around it, and this is ideal because it's the best way to hem the opening and reinforce all the seam. And I'm going to reinforce this seam just because it's the opening of the handbag, so it resists. These rounded corners with the top stitching and the hemming at the same time were a bit challenging and difficult, let's be honest. So if you don't want to do it, you can just leave the bottom bit square without cutting it and do the sides. Once you hem the sides with the top stitching, then you can finish the bottom, even with a French seam. You could do it on the front side, on the right side first, and then on the wrong side. It will look really nice, it'll be strong, and it's a pity I didn't think of it before. And now the part that I'm fearing the most, which is the handles. I'm going to try to sew them with the machine because I don't trust my hand stitching that much, and I think with the machine it'll be stronger. So I'm going to try to double hem it with the handle inside already. Let's see how I manage. Sometimes what you fear the most is what it turns out the best, and that's what happened. I didn't have any problems at all sewing it. take into account that it's a straight seam, but I'm putting it in here. So it does look okay. If you turn it, it doesn't, I didn't have any problems at all. I'm so surprised. So I finished. Hi Trini, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
How was your handbag? How did it turn out, your beach bag?
Really good, because it's the kind of project I like, easy and beautiful.
Ah, good.
Fantastic. I show you mine?
Yes, this is mine. It's only little.
Oh, so beautiful. I love the pattern.
Yes.
Yeah, the fabric.
Let me see, it's yours. I interrupted you, sorry. Let me see yours.
Yeah, this is mine.
Oh, that's lovely. Really cute.
One quite big when I go with my children. I need like a big bag.
Yes.
So I was planning this. Yeah.
That's good, that's good, that's so good. And you recycle some jeans as well, as you were saying.
Exactly, that's right. Yes, you saw that I was telling you the green part.
Yes.
It's from jeans from my husband.
That's good.
He didn't use and he gave it to
That's
me.
good, that's good. That's fantastic. I'm so glad, so enjoy it.
Yeah, so let's go to the beach.
Yes,
Yeah?
let's see if we can go together one day.
Exactly.
Bye.
So enjoy
Yes.
here. Bye-bye.
My fabric was €9.90 the meter, but I only got half a meter, so it was for something. And the handles, I can't help you because I already had them. I've always had them. I don't know where they came from. And it took me like 2 hours sort of to do, so it's quite bright, and I love how you can fit anything in it. For yourself, not for a whole family, and the style of it, because you can wear it to other events, not only to the beach. It's a perfectly fine handbag to carry around. I hope you've enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments what you thought, if you've done something similar, and don't forget to subscribe because I upload twice a week and that way you don't miss anything. And I leave you here a link to other handbags I've made, of course, as well as Trini's channel to have a look around. It's in Spanish, but still. And I'll see you around. Bye.